Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make an origami sailboat. This origami model is a bit different from the traditional boat you might be used to. This version is relatively easy to make, so even if you are a beginner, you are likely to get a good result. The only material you need is a square piece of paper. In this video I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. With the main color facing down, our first step is to fold it in half. Unfold, then fold the right side to the middle, unfold, fold it in half horizontally, unfold, and fold the bottom and top side to the middle. Finishing this, we'll need to fold the paper in half again, but only on the right half. Start by bringing the bottom to the middle and reinforce only this half here. Then the same with the top side. Still on the right half, we'll follow the same logic, but folding vertically. First bring the side edge to the middle, unfold that, and then we need to bring this crease we have in the middle of the paper to this other crease here, right next to it. Finishing this step, we'll fold this half along both diagonals. For the next step, we turn the paper over, reinforce the middle line, and then very carefully we're going to close the right side using the diagonal lines we made before. After closing, let's open it again. Reinforce this little square in the middle. And push the center down, reversing this part. We have our base. For the next details, hold the paper in this position, open this larger layer, bring half of the top edge almost to the middle, folding it like this. Then fold once more, now connecting the middle of the top side to this corner down here. Then we close the paper as before. Fold this part following the same diagonal we made before. Unfold that. Open the first layer. Reinforce this diagonal line. And then bring the paper to the left, flattening it open like this. Now let's go to the bottom side. Open these inner layers. Now we can open up the base part a bit. And we have a paper sailboat. This is the first option, keeping this detail on the sail. As a second option, we can fold this leftover part, which in my case is blue. Now the sail part has only one color. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.